Good afternoon one and all, and welcome to this live stream video here for the property in front of me. I'm on Redhatch Drive today, and I'm just slowly walking back, careful not to get knocked over, to give you an idea of the size of the property we're here to see today. Please excuse the wobble on the gimbal. I'm having a couple of technical issues. So the property in front of me is a little bit unique. It is a 4-bed, fully detached property. It has a double garage, which you can see here. But then to this side of it, we have a 1-bed annex. And it is a proper 1-bed annex in that it has its own entranceway, own front door, and own kitchen, own bathroom and everything there. And I'll get to show you that a wee bit later. So the current owners are have been here for a while. They've done a lot of renovation and work to the property, and I hope it comes over on the video. Being that this is a live stream, feel free to ask any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. Just showing you the side gate at the moment, leading down into the back garden. And I can already see a couple of people requesting private viewings, which you can do, and I'll be more than happy to show you around in the future. So what we're going to do, we're going to head on in now. So you have this lovely entrance porch here. So a great space to take shoes off, do your boots, those sorts of things. Luckily, we've got a sunny day today, but during the winter, I can imagine this being a real plus. So, through the door here. So we're now into the main entrance hall, and it is lovely, light and bright. You've got these lovely big windows here. Let's certainly lots and lots of light in throughout it all. And downstairs, what was a bathroom, WC, is now a downstairs shower room. So we have WC, small sink, and then this lovely walk-in shower. Just trying to show you it all here. Hello there, as well. Nice to see you on the video. I will try and keep myself off because I don't want to put you off. Right, so downstairs shower room, really super helpful if you've got relatives staying. To the sides we have the reception room, which is a really good size. Just standing in the corners here just to give you an idea. Throughout it all. And they've sort of separated it a wee bit, so you've almost got this cinema room. I mean, look at the size of the telly here. This is fantastic. And then this is the first look at the rear garden. So the rear garden isn't huge, I will admit that. However, just behind the house is the fields. You're not far from the lake either. But the real sell point, I think, for this is the school location. You're in catchment for Maiden Erlegh Secondary School, which is, for those that don't know, highly desirable. Little view of out the front as well. Thank you very much. We've had requests for a private viewing, so certainly we can get on and do that for you. Just trying to give you a real sense of the size of the reception room. It's a really friendly atmosphere. I mean, we've got the piano down there as well. It's good quality wood flooring in the entrance hall. It's this lovely thick carpet in the main reception. And what I'm doing now, I'm going to show you the kitchen breakfast room. So this is a real entertainment house. This is the main thing that I want you guys to focus on. It's the size and space you have in the entertaining areas. So look at the size of this dining table here. Easily would fit 10 people in, and they've had lots of family Christmases. And I love the fact that with this little recess, this French dresser is just here, works really well with it. And there's lots of mirrors around, keeping it nice and light. Reflects the light really well around the home. So you have this really impressive island with a nice big gas hob, 5-ring gas hob in there, extractor fan to the centre. And then we have built-in facilities, so microwave oven, double oven, and then we have the built-in dishwasher as well. But imagine sort of doing Christmas or large family events around here, There's lots of space for all the family. Okay, again, looking out over the garden for it all, and there's a real entertainment space, and I'll bring you to that in a few moments. So heading on down, we're into the utility area. It's fantastic to have a utility room, and you can see there, it's all, your washing machine's all plumbed in. You have another sink, and then more cupboards and worktops as well. So you do have a back door out into your back garden. We won't go through that way, we'll go another way. And then you have your garage here. Now the vendors do state that the garage has got a lot of stuff in. It is a garage after all, so most people tend to store bits in there rather than cars. It is a double garage. There's lots and lots of space there. There is also rafter storage up the top as well, so lots of storage in there as well for your bits and pieces. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to head on upstairs. I'll show you the garden in a moment, because I want to show you the upstairs first of all before we head into the annex and the entertainment central, affectionately known as the man cave. Yeah. So heading on up, I will show you. So this here is bedroom number 2. So it's a lovely, good sized double bedroom. It's lovely and bright, nice white walls, this lovely headboard and double bed, and it has the added advantage of having built-in wardrobes. If I show you in here, so lots of storage space throughout, nice double wardrobe, good quality, double glazing, this time looking out over the front. Got a little recess there for your vanity table, or in this case a TV. So this is bedroom 4. Now currently this is being used as a walk-in wardrobe, and you can see good quality wardrobes have been built in, lots of storage in there. There is a small sink in here as well. So if you wanted it to be returned into a bedroom, you would simply remove the wardrobes, and then, or at least 2 of them, to make it a bedroom. I'm trying really hard not to show up in the reflections, so I do apologise if I have shown up in any. It is a good sized bedroom. If you were to take these wardrobes out, it would give you a bit more space in there, and again overlooking the back to give you an idea of what's in the garden, so you can see the pergola and what have you, the shed, and then there is also a rear gate there if you wanted to put more cars. So coming on through, so into the family bathroom. So good sized family bathroom. They are white units, so relatively new and modern. Little recess there, and again more mirrors, more light. It has got the large window there as well, so you won't ever have any issues with damp or mould. And this one here we're going to go into is bedroom number 3. So it's a small double. They do have a lot of furniture in here, so if you were to remove certainly one of the wardrobes here, you would certainly have more space, and it would fit a standard double bed, 4'6", comfortably into there. So currently in a single, which is 3 foot, so it comes out to about the size, to around about there where the blue footstool is. You would still have lots of room in there. All 4 bedrooms technically are doubles, although the bedroom at the end, hello there, the bedroom at the end there probably isn't quite the double size at the moment. So this is the main bedroom, and you get to see the size of it here, really impressive. What's fantastic as well is it has the dual aspect, so you've got a large window here, and then there is another window there. Now we've closed the blinds because it's quite a bright day. It almost becomes overpowering. But I'm just opening those curtains a wee bit more, and we're walking back. Lovely big window, lots and lots of light in here, which is beautiful. And then again, it has built-in wardrobe here, and also above the stairs. Hello again, another mirror. I'm really trying, guys, I'm so sorry. Lots and lots of storage space, and that's what you notice with this. There's lots of storage spaces throughout, which nowadays comes at a bit of a premium. So 4 really good sized bedrooms throughout. Nice family bathroom. You have your airing cupboard here as well with your hot water tank. And then you also get your attic. Now the attic is partially boarded. I can't show you up for insurance purposes, but it's a really good size in there, certainly for storage. Potential, if you needed to, you could possibly go up, subject to your standard planning and things like that. But now what we're going to do is we're going to head outside and we're going to have a look at the garden. And this is a real, as I've said, it is an entertainer's house. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you around this side here just to give you an idea of the garden space as well. And I'm just coming down here. So, being that it is detached, you have got side gate access down here. And then there's more space here. Now, the vendors tell me that this used to be a swimming pool. They've taken out the swimming pool and they've opened it up so there's more parking. So you've got these large gates here. If you wanted to put, normally the motorhome could be parked here, or if you've got a caravan or a work truck, something like that. You've got this nice large shed in the garden as well. So certainly lots of storage space for your garden tools and things like that. And as I just come back up and round, what I'm going to do is I'll show you the pergola. So sitting out in the afternoon sun, glass of wine after work, enjoying it under this canopy. There's your log store as well, and you'll need that for the log burners that are in the affectionately known as man cave. So what we'll do now, let's head on in. So under here, under your patio, we've got the patio furniture, and this here is your hot tub area as well. It's lovely and warm in here, really well done. It is one of the Lazy Spa inflatables. There's a separate door there if you wanted to use that, and there's one log burner to help heat in here, and then the other part, which I love, is this. As I've said, it's affectionately known as the man cave. Started life out as a shed, but now this is where they entertain. So you've got this lovely bar here. This is Mandy. She's Mandy the mannequin. She doesn't come with the house, guys, don't worry. But look at this down here. So we have got another large log burner, all fitted in properly. We have a vending machine, slot machine, and lots of space as well. I mean, they've incorporated dining table as well. There's a space here for a DJ while entertaining. And then there's a view back out over the garden into the hot tub. So this is an area that this family spend a lot of their time. They love entertaining, they love having friends around. They've spent Christmases out here as well. Personally, I love this bit of the house because it's a real entertainment centre. Also as well, my background is I used to run bars, so that bar is saying a lot to me. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to show you the annex. So this is the 1-bedroom annex on here. So coming to the side, so this is your kitchen. So small kitchen diner, gas hob in here. There's lots and lots of storage spaces and things like that. You've got the oven and everything. The only thing it doesn't have at the moment is a washing machine, but there is space certainly under the kitchen units if you wanted to place one in. And it's got a really wide hallway as well, which is fantastic. It's a really welcoming area. And I'm going to take you through here to the front reception room. So currently the owner's mother lives here. So this door to the sides would lead back into the main house. However, you'll notice from the inside from inside the main house you didn't notice it, and that's because on that side they've blocked it all up. If you wanted to reopen it, you can do, but they've left it on this side here. So this is a lovely, comfortable double bedroom, large reception room, sorry. And I'm just going to stand into the corner again to give you an idea of the size. It is fairly large furniture as well, so it does take up a lot of room, but it's a lovely big room. Really entertaining, lovely out view over the road as well. So yeah, coming through into the bedroom. Just turn the light on for the moment, and it's a large double bedroom. And if I come down this end, have a look over, so over the back garden, nice views, and certainly big. This room is probably it is larger than the bedrooms in the main house, because you've got standard double bedroom, and then we've got 2 large wardrobes, including a double and single. Now the furniture is likely to go when they whoever purchases, but it's good to know that you've got that space. And then coming on through here, this is the bathroom, and again it's nice white units, and we have the bathroom, toilet and sink. There's the shower over the bath, and it is a bath. So if you wanted to make this, you could rent it out, and effectively, because you've got the side gate access, you could convert this, so this would become the front door proper, and then what you would do, you could put a small fence up here, and then the side gate around here becomes the entranceway for that annex. And if you wanted to rent this out privately to help pay for the mortgage, those sorts of things, you could do. And 1 bedrooms, it has its own supplies and everything, so it could easily be done. So personally, this is a fantastic home. So whether or not you have a parent that you want to move in, there's the boiler for the annex as well, just showing you. If you wanted like these guys have got family member moving in, or whether or not you want to rent out to help fund the mortgage, you've got options there. There's also options for further development with small extensions, loft conversions, those sorts of things. So I'm going to go and that's just about the end. I'm just going to show you around this side here. So you've got another side gate back around the front, showing you it is fully detached. But that's the property. I want to thank you for joining me on this one here. And I can see requested private viewing, so we'll get in touch with yourselves and we'll get those booked in. And I just want to thank you again for joining me. I'm going to enjoy the man cave for a little bit longer, but thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one. All the best, guys.